Different worlds, same problem. Equipment chaos driving up operational costs. That's where EZO brings order to the asset chaos. From scan to insight, instantly transforming how different teams manage equipment worldwide. Whether it's monitoring equipment maintenance, running smooth IT lifecycles, or managing rentals, we're here to deliver control, clarity, and confidence. Since 2011, thousands of clients use EZO products globally to cut operational costs by up to 80%. From IT managers nailing every audit, to admins reducing misplaced equipment, to business owners powering multi-million-dollar projects, EZO always delivers results. And the future? It's predictive, intelligent, and in the palm of your hand. From chaos into confidence, one source of truth. Peak performance, zero waste, and happy teams everywhere.